Hi, everyone. Welcome to another edition of the Law Lounge with Silva with your favorite criminal defense attorney here in LA. All right, you guys, P. Diddy, The Reckoning. This is a Netflix four-part documentary, and it was a hit piece that was executive produced by 50 Cent. Now, the biggest issue for me is watching this and seeing the decades of corruption. Now, again, this is a hit piece, and there's a lot of people that had a lot of negative things to say about P. Diddy. But what's interesting is, and what stuck out in my mind is, how was his actions? How were they protected? He had so many people around him, and he was doing some awful things, from domestic violence to sexual assault to, transporting prostitutes to, drugs, you name it. This guy was doing everything and allegedly had a major role, if not was part of the coordinators for a hit on Tupac Shakur and even his so-called best friend, Biggie. So you wonder, when you have that much power and that much money, you're just naturally protected. And we saw this with Jeffrey Epstein as well. We saw it with Bill Cosby. We see it with those who are so rich and so powerful. My question for you is, what can we do? Is this right? And how do we change this? I cannot believe that nobody for decades came out and said, this is what P. Diddy did and he should be held accountable. Now, knowing how powerful P. Diddy is and how many people he employed, and the fact that he single-handedly can destroy lives, all of that is relevant. But it's a really important discussion. I would love to hear your thoughts. You guys, thank you so much for subscribing.